Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking to you about why you should choose Point University for your dual enrollment needs. Point University was originally founded back in 1937 as Atlanta Christian College. We have a long history of providing quality education coupled with the highest accreditation that can be earned within the realm of academia, which makes Point University your best choice. So let's get started. Here at Point, we provide opportunities for you to choose without sacrificing what you want to do with what you need to do. We recognize that students today are extremely busy. We offer multiple locations in West Point, Georgia, Peachtree City, Savannah, including well over 40 partner school locations, all for your students' convenience. We offer an in-seat option, an online option, including a hybrid option for your instructional needs. Having all of these opportunities presented to you just made spending time with friends and family and working on extracurricular activities a lot easier. Let's see where to start. The whole process initiates with your high school counselor. From there, these are the requirements. You must be in the 11th or 12th grade. You must have a GPA of 3.0 or higher. Some exceptions will apply. That's a case-by-case basis. Talk to your counselor. And will require your high school transcript. If you should have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us, the dual enrollment team at Point University. Your journey begins here.